Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to show you guys the proper way how to separate hibiscus, because usually in every nursery when you go buy a hibiscus, there's usually more than one plant in there. And so to save a little bit of coin and you want more plants, go ahead and watch this video because I'm going to show you guys how to separate it properly. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys love this video. It's super amazing getting multiple plants for a good amount of price and to get profit out of this, because these hibiscus will be put up for sale on my offer up page and local business. So I can't wait for when that actually happens. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.